Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue and another beautiful Saturday where we get back to work. And no, you're not crazy, I am upside down. Alright guys, now that we're right side up, we're going to show you what we did last week and talk a little bit about it. We got our rockers in. We showed you guys how to spot weld. We did not grind it away yet. Not really hard to grind it. You just come in here and grind it away. We also got the motor started, and if you missed that, make sure you guys check it out. We had it started a couple months ago, but we just wanted to make sure and hear it and make sure it sounded beautiful to know what plans we have coming up in the future. But this week what we're going to do is we're going to come inside the cab. We're going to cut away all this dirty metal and bad metal and replace it with some nice new floors, and hopefully get that all welded in and done for today. So we have this thing pretty much welded where it needs to go. It is not perfect by any means. Some of it's the panel, some of it's us. We can come up here to this bolt. The bolt is not perfectly flush as you see against the floor. But over here we're pretty close, so if we came farther back this would be off, and the panel underneath is pretty strong and pretty much where it needs to go because it's easy to line up with this and the panel underneath. We've tacked it in quite a bit. We still have a lot more tacks to lay down, a lot more beads to lay down. When we went and did this though, we measured from here, the center of these holes, rather than the edge of the panel this time, which definitely helped us out a little bit more, even though we're still not perfect. But if we go back to the other side where you are, Tim, you guys can see that we had to come back in there and cut away that panel and close the gap because we measured from the end of the panel. This time we realized what we made the mistake last time, so we were able to fix it. We have some more panel beating to do. We have some more welding to do. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We'll see you guys next week. Make sure you guys are using those links that we have. Help us out, help you out, and we'll see you guys next Saturday.